I'm going to do a review here of Dairy Queen's S'mores Blizzard. Let's give this a try. So I was trying to think of what it's called because I haven't actually had a Blizzard in a long time, and I was like, okay, what is this called? Anyway, let's give this a try here. It's pretty much melted, but it's still ice cream. Yeah, the minute that I get this, it melts. Because, you know what, I should probably just review this at the restaurant. So honestly, it melts already. As soon as I get this, it melts. Every time I go to Dairy Queen, I always bring stuff home. Dairy Queen is like probably an hour away, so it basically melts. As soon as I get in the car, it basically starts to melt. Pretty good, even though it's melted, but it's still pretty good. Very flavorful. I never always review all the Dairy Queen flavors because I don't always go to Dairy Queen, so not really one that's closest to Malone. So I try to review Dairy Queen every once in a while. So I give this a 7 out of 10. It's pretty good.